Hey, welcome back to the channel. I had to remove that oil pan because it just didn't fit. We got a different oil pan. I was juggling around with money, and this is about all I could afford for right now. There's a windage tray in there and a aftermarket pickup tube, so it should work. At least the motor's sitting down now. I have to notch the plates to lower it down some more, and this is pretty much where it's gonna sit. This is plenty of room. Take it back out and notch those, and we'll be done for now. And then I have to make brackets to bolt it to, so that's not a big deal. Alright.